the first time my car has ever been on a lift. Today I'm gonna be prepping the engine bay for paint because the engine is really close to being ready for assembly. So I wanna make sure I have the bay ready to go so we can just install the engine right after assembly. Guys, I'm so sick. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I am sick. So that's happening today. I don't know if I'm sick or if it's allergies, but I've never had allergies. I don't know what's happening. I just kind of feel like crap. Day cola coffee. What a great mixture. Let's see. I feel like crap today, but you know what? Not gonna stop me. If I sound weird, or I get a little loopy, or don't talk that much in this vlog, that is why. Yeah, so you know what? I'm not feeling good, but I'm showing up, I'm wearing the merch, and I'm gonna make stuff happen today. Now that the shop is painted and it looks so good, I'm very happy with how the walls turned out. And today I'm going to be painting my engine bay. Let me just stop myself right there. I was being very optimistic that day, thinking I would paint it the same day, but this is actually more prep for painting the bay in this video, and I will get to painting it in the next video. Alright, getting that out of the way. I'm always fighting with myself and like having to remind myself that it is a drift car, not a show car. Like, this is going to be driven really hard and driven a lot, and it's kind of a constant battle in my head, but you know, I still want to do things as nice as possible for a drift car. I'm not going to go too crazy on like prepping the engine bay. You know, if it was a show car, I probably would take all the old paint off, but I'm just going to get it as clean as possible, you know, mask off different parts that are in there that don't need paint on them. I'm not worried too much about what the engine will be covering, like the very bottom. The engine's gonna be covering that area, so I'm gonna kind of lightly prep it, pressure wash, maybe go in with the scrubber again, maybe do some light sanding really quick, and then bam, go for shooting, because today I am painting it. Oh, that's so cute. No, you're not. In the next video, I am though, for sure. I'm not just gonna be prepping it, I'm finishing up the prep and actually painting it. If you remember and you've been here for a while, my first time painting anything was painting the seats that are in my car now, and rest in peace my louvers, my old louvers that flew off. It's so sad. That was my first time ever painting, and I'm just gonna go for it with my engine bay. DK from Garage Life is gonna help set me up. I'm getting a compressor right now, and I'm gonna head to the shop. Let's see if I can paint an engine bay. I don't know. Maybe, maybe not. We'll find out. All right. I've already started siphoning the water from Garage Life. It actually works out pretty well. I just steal their water because I don't know, there's no water outlet in my shop, which is super weird, but luckily Garage Life is right there and I can steal their water. So I got their hose, I got the pressure washer, and now I'm just gonna hook the pressure washer up and see how bad the engine bay looks after 1 or 2 passes with that. Trying out some pops of blue. What do you guys think? You like it? It matches. That is like spot on, the blue too. Very nice. Honestly, the pressure washer did amazing. It got like everything up. It should even remove the like tons of grime that's built up in the transmission, but I wanted to test it out and I just stopped it because I don't need to do that. But basically, this is good to go. I'm gonna squeegee all the water out. Maybe go in with some sandpaper on some of the higher spots that are really easy to see. And then really it's good to paint.
Both of you, I need elegant form, please. Right there, perfect.
Perfect,
right
nailing it? All right. While the car was drying in the sun, I figured I would use that time to go pick up one of the most important ingredients for this process that I cannot believe that I forgot about. Like I'm really disappointed in myself for forgetting about this. Luckily, I was able to find a place that had it. This is what I needed, and I forgot about. Flake, hello. I'm gonna be putting sparkles all over the engine bay, and I've known that I wanted to do that for a very long time, and I was planning on shooting it today and just now remembered it that last minute. This is the House of Kolor Rainbow Flake. I think this is probably the largest size that they have. I don't know if you can kind of see it. Focus. Wait, it doesn't want to focus. There we go. This is the largest or like second to largest flake that they make, and it is their rainbow color. I've really wanted the rainbow color. It kind of just captures all the different colors in the sun, and yeah, I just want my engine bay to be super sparkly and amazing. So this is gonna go on top of the color for my engine bay. That's what I went and got while the car was drying, and then DK from Garage Life actually had to leave early today to go do some stuff. So I don't want to do any of the painting without him here. Just he's the one that knows how to mix everything and set it up. And yeah, like I'm not a painter, so obviously I need his help. You guys know I'm really like sick anyway right now. So today I'm just gonna be finishing up the prep for paint tomorrow. So I'm gonna get the engine bay pretty much ready to shoot, get it as clean as possible. I'm gonna cover the rest of the car so that the overspray doesn't get my actual car paint on it, and basically have the car ready to shoot tomorrow. Those are the updates. This is my flake. I got so lucky that they had this. It's gonna look amazing. I'm really excited for this. And it works out because they had House of Kolor, and the paint that is on my car is House of Kolor, and the paint I'm using for my engine bay is House of Kolor as well. Alright, I think we're done. I ended up using mostly tape for the inside here. I ended up using mostly tape because to me it was just easier to work with than the paper, so might take a lot longer to get it off, but it worked out. I should be ready to just shoot tomorrow morning.